backtest my strategy, you know. Like I'm gonna like मेरा plan ये है कि मैं at least 100 trades लूँगा. I will do a paper trade, and we'll see how my strategy works. So first of all, butterfly stock we have taken, and starting from somewhere around here, 3rd February 2025, our criteria has been passed. We'll also see how many times. One second. या सो हमारी ट्रेड जो है हम बात कर रहे थे बैक टेस्ट करेंगे शॉर्ट स्ट्रैटेजी बटरफ्लाई स्टॉक है एंड लेट्स सी 3 मंथ पे क्या सीन है और कब को हमारी स्ट्रैटेजी फेल होने वाली है लाइक वी गेट एन आइडिया है ना 3 मंथ पे ये सीन है 1 मंथ पे ये सीन है यू नो जस्ट शेयर स्टॉक वेंट लाइक बेयरिश सो वी आर इन गुड शेप 1 वीक पे ये सीन है एवरीथिंग इज फाइन एंड 1 डे पे ये सीन है. So why did I put it like right here? I don't know. Let's see why. I believe that's because on 3-month chart, the thing is that you see 1, 2, then up, then the time went like negative somewhere 1, 1, 2. Okay, no, not here, but on 1 month. Yeah, here. So the thing is that 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 1, 1, 2, 3, and right here on 1 month the time went negative, and we want all the elements, all the traders, or at least the where we think the traders are, to be negative, you know. So this is how it happened. So that is why I have drawn line right here. Even like all the above time frames are negative, and we can like backtest our strategies. Like here it starts. Let's start yellow, you know, and we can remove that. And now one of the strategy we could have been taken is exactly here, you know, as soon as it again like crossed here. Let's see what would happen if we had taken this strategy, you know. We have to be thorough, like totally thorough. 27 February, 1 January. Oh yeah, we can take the trade. Let's see on 1 day, then 1 hour. What's the scene on 1 hour? 1 hour, this is the scene. Okay, on 1 hour we could not have taken the trade because the time was 0 actually. You see here the time turned positive 1, 2, 3, then 4, 1, 2, then somewhere around here the time turned positive, and then this was the stop and the stop was hit. So the time was like not negative, and that's the problem. We cannot take the trade. Time has to be negative. Okay, so this would automatically would have been invalidated, and that's the beauty, you know. And now let's see what would happen like if we had taken trade here, you know. Let's mark it something like first trade or second trade. So let's have a signpost here like first trade 1, trade 1, like okay, this can be a trade 1 but invalidated. Result लिख देते हैं यहाँ पे, result equal to invalid. What does invalid means? That we couldn't take the trade. Okay, let's have it give it a color, you know. Okay, this is the invalid trade. Okay, that's nice. Invalid would be 0, like right. So let's make it a bit smaller. Okay, let's have it bigger. Can we make it a smaller? No, we can't. It doesn't matter. This would have been a first trade. Okay, now let's see what would happen here. This would have been a second trade, because everything like now whole month is negative, whole week are negative, as we can see here. Whole the week is negative, month is negative. The daily just went negative. Where? Right here, you know, exactly as we see at the lowest point of this. So this is where it turned negative. Okay, this we will mark this as a blue line. Okay, blue line, and let's delete this line, and from here on we can take a new trade. Okay, we're just finding the opportunities. Let's make it after blue orange. Okay, blue orange. Let's see what happens after 1 hour, you know. So this is where the trade could have been taken, and what is the case at this? Exactly here, when it would have hit this the what we're in, let's see what we're in the case. Okay. Let's see in the real time. Okay, so it would already had been negative right here, and as soon as it had hit, uh, let's see if we could have taken the trade. So on 15 minutes there is very like on like after exactly after this the trade would be valid, you know. So exactly after this, as we can see that again time is 0, and since the time is 0 the trade would have been invalid, and as soon as it would have reached something like 1 1 2, the blue line would have been like crossed, and on 15 minutes, so again invalid trade. Okay, I hope you're understanding. If you're not, doesn't matter, because I have to understand this. So this would have been an invalid trade. Let's come on again daily time frame. It would have been invalidated. So trade was invalid. It was not even a trade. This was just like I would say that to show you that how powerful my strategy is. So even like from here till here, let's see what happened from here to here. From here to here, the thing is that after this would have been our next opportunity. From here would have arisen our next opportunity. Right on 18 Feb. Let's see what happens on 18 Feb. Let's see on 15 minutes. Okay, on 15 minutes again, this would have been our opportunity. On 18 Feb, we can see that everything is again negative. And what about 1 hour? So it just, I don't know what happened there. So let's zoom in a little bit. Okay, so as soon as it hit this point again, we could have entered the trade. It was one point, and then let's come to 15 minutes. Okay, after this our trade would have been valid, and as soon as it would have hit this point, the stop would have been shifted to here. 1 hour stop would have been shifted to 1 hour stop would have been again shifted to somewhere around, I believe that here. Let's see what happens. But the thing is that it is valid now. On 15 minutes valid, and we will see look for entry on 5 minutes. Okay. So again, see, this is not a good time to take a trade. You know. Let's see if the entry comes. And the entry did not come. There was no point of live and we could so again invalidated. You know, this is the beauty of my strategy. If it is not going to move, you are not going to get an opportunity to enter, and that's why you got to stick to the rules. Now let's again go to the 1 week frame. Like everything is fine or not, the stops are not like closing in. We want the stops to be as far away from a entry point as possible to make the trade valid. Okay, let's look for another trade were invalid. All these are trade have been invalidated. Okay, daily time frame, everything is good. You know, this and this has been hit. So time stop, fly stop, blah blah blah. Let's come to 1 hour. What happens at 1 hour? Okay, let's go forward. 1 hour, everything is good. So this is how we trade. You know, 15 minutes. Okay, 15 minutes, everything is on up. So we are gonna look at, start seeing when the 15 minutes is giving us opportunity. No opportunity, no opportunity. No, it just gave us the opportunity. See, right here. So let's like see what is happening on upper time frame. One day, everything's fine. 1 week, I hope everything's fine. 1 month, everything's fine. 1 hour, everything is fine. 15 minutes, everything just became fine. Let's see for 5 minutes. Okay, so 5, we are hoping for the entry, and what we are looking for the entry is we want this line, blue line, to be up, and we want the purple line and the orange line to be down. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so this is up, this is up. Okay, we didn't get opportunity again. Okay, so no trade, no trade. Let's see here only. Okay, No opportunity. Okay, now opportunity can arise. Let's see what's going on in the upper time frames. 15 minute, okay, invalidated, invalid, 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 valid. Again here we are valid. Let's see what's going on in upper time frame. Okay, this is 1 2 3, 1 2 3, invalid. We want it to be little lower. Okay, right here, the opportunity came right here, so we are gonna go a little back. So somewhere around here, I guess. Okay, we have to mark this again, like somewhere here. Let's see on 15 minutes what happens. Okay, so it was a big downfall. We couldn't have cashed this move, even on 5 minutes. You see, it was a big fall. So it first fell, then it went up, and when it went up, again the time was 0, not negative, so we couldn't have taken the trade. So let's see what's going on. Like everything's fine here. We want the time to be negative 1 1 down. Time is again 0. Time is again time negative. We want the time to be positive, like price is positive, time positive, and the bias to be negative. That's a criteria. Okay, now see, we are approaching our finally we are approaching a good trade. See, it's 28 Feb and we are approaching a good trade. So I would say that this is the middle part of the river, like the most middle part, because we are going to trade on 1 minute, even on 1 minute, and we can see that as soon as this try gonna go, just the volatility is going to increase so much more, and I guess they're going to be a big fall. But the thing is that we want the like entry. Okay, this is the right trade to take on 5 minutes. Let's see on 15 minutes what is happening on 15 minute. Okay, the 1 up, 2 up, 1 2 3 down, 1 up, 1 2 down, okay, 1 up. Everything seems fine. Orange line should be here. Let's see, is it or not? It is. So everything's fine here. Okay, on 15 minute the stops are quite high. Everything's good. On 1 hour, stops are quite high. Everything's good. On daily time frame, the stops are quite high. Everything's good. On 1 week time frame, the stops are quite high. Everything's good. And on 1 month time frame, the stocks are again quite high and everything's good. What we want here is that we want to again go to 5 minutes and we are gonna sell our stock here. Okay, when are we gonna sell? Exactly on 1 minute. See, we are going from 3 minute to 1 minute. So it's a very quite powerful strategy. It's not a very simple strategy, very quite powerful. Oh, I am a genius. I created it. I know I'm a genius. Thank you. So right here, right here, as soon as it hit, this would have been our limit order, because we can see how did it happen. So just after the traders, the momentum traders, which is a purple line, the time traders have gone bullish. We want any trader to get bearish, and as soon as they're gonna get bearish, it's gonna be a panic situation. So right here we would be entering our trade approximately. So let's sell this. Let's come down back here on 1 minute time frame and sell this. It's 589 stock. Let's sell somewhere like, suppose you have like 50,000 rupees. So how many stocks would you sell? 50,000 divided by 589. Somewhere around 84 stocks you would have to sell. So we will sell 84 stocks here. let's sell something like 84 then, no? Somewhere around 84 stocks. 84. Let's sell 84 stocks here. Let's see what happens. And now we are gonna monitor on 5-minute time frame. We just sold it, and right now we have 79 minus, 79 rupees minus. Let's see what happens, and let's like slow it down. 0 minus 42 minus 75 again. We have to keep a watch on 15-minute time frame too. That the stocks don't come down every 15 minutes. Okay, they're not coming down. Now let's go to 5 minutes. Okay, we are making 230, 220, 230, 457. Okay, that's good. The best part which I like about the speed. Look at the speed, you know. As soon as we took the trade, the kind of like skyrocketed. Stock kind of like skyrocketed. Okay, so as soon as we can like close our trades here, because it just reached here, we have to buy them. So this would have been, we booked our profit. We just bought here and we sold here. Let's see what's next. Okay, it's a good trade. If you want to take more risk, you can like keep your stop at, but I don't recommend that. The best thing that you can do is like either get exit here or exit when we exit here. Like see, when the 15-minute you can follow 15-minute time frame stop, you know, and 15-minute was hit somewhere around here, you know. So you shouldn't have sold here. If you are following 15-minute chart, you could have sold here. So okay, not here. Here, if you are following 15-minute chart, you would have, so it was a good trade. You know, you got money, you got out. So this was our first trade, and it's 3rd March today, and we got on. I don't know if we got any opportunity today or not. But let's see. Did we or not? Now the thing is that after 5 minutes, I guess we have to go to 1 minute. You know, this is where we are aiming for. This is the 5 minute. Let's go for 1 minute, and we are going to take trade on a 1 minute chart now. Okay, now let's sell it again as soon as it went here. So the problem is that we can't have a chart smaller than this, okay? So we would have to visualize what is happening here. The chart is going this, then this, then this. So it's a kind of like a rough estimate. So what we can make of it is the portfolio has been decreasing here, okay? So if we want a safe trade, we would just, when the stock come back to here, exactly at this point, we are gonna sell the stock. Let's see what. Okay, this was a good point to sell. Let's go back again, and this time is a very good kind of like I would say that win-loss ratio. Again, 84 stocks. Okay. Okay. Let's sell it again. Okay, it's sold it. It doesn't matter. It will be very small price, like somewhere around. It's quite a price, but the thing is that it's about trading view. It's not allowing me to sell it here. Okay, let's see. The stop is here. Okay, we sold it here, and the stop is not there, but the stop is here. This is the stop. This is a stop of minus 300 or minus like 200, whatever comes first. Okay, let's see what happens next. Okay, the stock stopped moving. Just stop moving. Stock isn't moving anymore, but it will. Actually, it is moving. You know, the second time frames people are like into it. So we don't see what is happening. but it is happening. What is happening? Again, a trading opportunity is coming, but we have already taken the trade, so we won't trade it here. This would be our stop. This is our stop. This is our stop again. Okay, now just the stop got hit. On 5 minutes, the stop got hit right here. Right here. So we're on here. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1. Okay. Where is the stop? Okay, this is the stop. So this is where we bought it. We buy it again. Okay. Now total was 470 rupees. Let's see what happens next. 1 minute trade is again done, and hence so are we, because quite a trade, you know. Again, if somebody wants, but I wouldn't recommend taking the trade again, because the I would say the juice is already over. Now the traders are going to like enter it, or they can go make it go down also. Whatever can happen, but today the juice is already over. And let's see what happens today. This was today, and trade didn't went anywhere because we took 2 trades and 2 were profitable. 1 or 5 minutes. See, again, it's going up. About that, exactly what I said. It's win rate 100% burn gas. So this was 2 trades. Let's keep going.